Beautiful day. We got some much needed rain last night. You can see here I'm all wet from just walking up the woods road. But still beautiful. It'll dry off now pretty soon because it's pretty warm. So I got to cut down a couple of trees today for the ridge poles for putting the new roof on. So that's my plan. So we'll see you up to the cabin. So I was already inside the cabin. Everything seemed to hold up pretty good. See all the wood that I took off the roof yesterday. Boards that are going to go back inside. And in here, for the most part, everything is pretty dry. A little bit of water there, but did a good job considering it was raining hard yesterday. So I was thinking I only had to get 2 ridge poles, but because you can see up here at the top, because I'm replacing from the whole triangular peak saw, basically the whole roof, I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This the central ridge pole that I had on last year actually wasn't completely straight, so might as well just get the 5 ridge poles while I'm at it and do the whole roof. So that's the plan right now. I'm going to go find a couple of nice trees that I can use for the ridge poles. Extend the ridge poles to the front and the back so you'll have an overhang. Got the overhang right here in the front. I want to extend it so I'll have the overhang in the back as well. So that's it. Come along now and I'll get some wood cut down. So I've been hauling in some slabs of wood. I dropped them up on the ATV, and what I'm doing is I'm just bringing them up the trail towards my cabin, just leaving them in piles. I don't like it all out on the main woods road. So I see the piles that got made now as you go down. Looks like some great siding. Just down this way a little bit, there's a couple of really tall but straight trees, and they should do a good job for the ridge poles. So these 2 trees right here should do. This one right here. You can see there's another one right here. So I should only have to cut down the 2, because after I cut down those 2 I should be able to get 4 or 5 pieces from them because they're pretty tall. So there's a pile. I gotta run half of it down now. I'm just picking away at it. All right, guys, so lunchtime check-in here. Lots of work just bringing up the slabs of wood and loading them up onto the trail. I've got some of them up now by the cabin, but that's still not even all done. I felled 2 trees, and I got the 2 large pieces of lumber there now to be able to use for the ridge poles. So she's starting to shape up. I think I have enough for the ridge poles, but I'm just beat right now. It's really hot, really humid, so I'm just going to take it easy for a bit and get some lunch. Just got some bacon and eggs for lunch and a coffee, and I'm just going to see then after that, once I cool down on that a bit, see what the plan is then for after lunch. This one thing when it's like summer like this and it's really hot, you don't want to beat yourself out up here. I do have a bit of time that I can still work on the cabin over the next little while, so just want to take my time. I don't want to get injured and I don't want to beat myself out, so just have a bit of fun and see what I can get done today. And if I don't get done what I had planned, that's okay. Tomorrow's another day. So a little bit more re-energized now after a little bite to eat and a cup of coffee. So I think what I'm going to do is try to get as much of that slab wood piled up right there. I got it all just spread out on the trail, so that'll be a good start then. And it's Friday, so I won't be back till Monday or Tuesday of next week, so there's no sense in tearing down the rest of the roof because it's only going to get water and stuff in it. So I'm just going to keep it like that till Monday or Tuesday and see if I can get a lot of that slab all stacked up. All right, I'm done for the day. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. I'm Keith, and I will see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and pop by frequently over the next couple of weeks to check out the progress on the Bushcraft log cabin. Take care.